The purpose of the engine telegraph is to set single or twin engine maneuver orders from the bridge to a main control room, full, ahead or astern orders to the engine control room. The light is flashing until the control room has acknowledged the request. The max power key indicates whether 80% or 100% power is possible. Half, ahead or astern orders to the engine control room, giving 50% shaft power. The light is flashing until the control room has acknowledged the request. Slow, ahead or astern orders to the engine control room, giving 25% shaft power. The light is flashing until the control room has acknowledged the request. Dead slow, ahead or astern orders to the engine control room, giving 12.5% shaft power. The light is flashing until the control room has acknowledged the request. Stop engine orders to the engine control room. The light is flashing until the control room has acknowledged the request. The stop procedure will be utilized. This function is only used when the engine setting is stop, and when the propeller revolutions must be stopped immediately, for example, diver in the water, fishing gear close to the propeller, etc. When pushed, the key illuminates, and the rotation of the shaft is stopped. The maximum time the shaft brakes can be engaged is 14 minutes. To disengage the shaft brake, push the key and it will turn dark. Press the key to transfer engine control from the engine room to the throttles. The key will get steady light, indicating that engine orders are set to the throttles. To return to engine telegraph control, press the bridge control key. It will start flashing until acknowledged from the engine control room, whereupon the key turns dark. Engine emergency run overrides the pre-programmed shut or slow down limits. The engine's fuel supply is stopped, regardless of any normal shutdown procedure. The key gets steady light, and the engine cannot be started before this function is deactivated by a second push on the key, whereupon the light is turned off again. On single-engine vessels, the left-hand or port key set is used for the engine orders.